Students, this is a beautiful experiment. This is a two-dimensional paper and we have a hole here. Now, this is my mobile. If I want to pass this mobile through this without tearing this paper, it is practically, you cannot do it. You can see the dimension of this is, even the diagonally, this is bigger. But if I make a three-dimensional approach, that means if I made this diagonal, the two sides, if I compare and if I slightly move it away and then I take my mobile inside this, then you see that it is easily coming out of this hole. So this is an amazing experiment done by Takashi, and where you can see that if a two-dimensional thing is changed to a three-dimensional, then it has some advantage. That way we can understand. What I have done, these are the two sides, and the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, so I make it like this. So you see, now this dimension is greater than this, so it will pass through it. So you practice it, make a hole and do it and show it to the other people that a bigger thing can be passed through a smaller hole. So this is an experiment.